This is a video on how to rebuild the top end on a 2004 Yamaha yz85. Alright, first, I'm going to take your wrist pin bearing and you want to oil it up. And go ahead and slide it in there. Don't let that fall. And you're going to take your piston. Piston has a arrow that faces towards the exhaust port. So it's going to go down like that. Arrow facing that way. Next sure you want to get your wrist pin. You want to get some oil on that. Oil that up. That's just going to go ahead and slide right into the piston a little bit. You have to line it up with the crank. Go ahead and get this in right. Right there. I'm going to go ahead and put that back. It's kind of hard doing this one hand. Got it halfway in here.
It is amazing to be in the presence of these animals.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Go ahead and pull this back out. Where's my thing at? There we go.
Don't make your dream job become work. Your website's to put it into.
I'm gonna go ahead and align it up here. Right there. And then just push it through. I won't go through right now, so there's that. Part 2 will be putting the cylinder on and then checking your cylinder, see if it's bad or see if it's still good. Refer to part 2 for the rest of the rebuild.